Why home-cooked meals isn't always the best. Hey guys, Doc Ara here. Kung iniisip mo magluto para sa inyong mga aso, better watch this. Bakit nga pa nagda-dive in ng mga fur parents sa ganito? Yung mga homemade food. Syempre, ang isipin nila pag homemade healthy, kasi whole food, fresh ingredients, minimally processed, pwede sila mag-tailor ng certain recipes para sa mga aso nila. However, here are common mistakes when doing home-cooked meals. Kapag hindi na-address, it will cause problems sa inyong dogs in the long run. First is nutrient imbalance. Hindi lahat ng mga home-cooked meals ay mabibigay yung mga essential nutrients ng mga dogs nyo. When I say balance, usually we have this guideline called yung AFCO guidelines, yung mga certain nutrients na kailangan ng mga aso on a day-to-day basis. Depende sa life stage nila. Ang mga homemade meals kasi, they miss certain ingredients or certain nutrients like vitamins, minerals, balance of calcium and phosphorus, which leads us to our other mistake, which is lack of vitamins. Ay, ibang dogs hindi naman nabibigyan ng tamang vitamins and minerals on a daily basis. Excess of unhealthy ingredients for dogs. For example, yung mga certain meats na medyo mataba pa rin. At the same time, sobrang dami yung amount. Kapag naging excessive yung mga ganon, it may lead to certain problems like obesity. But this is a big-time commitment. If gusto nyo mag-homemade or home-cooked meals, panindigan nyo. Kasi hanap-hanapin nyo ng mga aso nyo yung lasa niyan. And of course, with all that, aminin na natin, not all fur parents have the time, the effort, or commitment to do home-cooked. So, better yet, as a veterinarian, kaya namin rin binibigay yung options for wet food and very convenient for fur parents. Ensure kayo na pasok yung nutritional needs nila dun sa ibibigay na food. One example of that is the Muchi Dog Home Style, na home cooking inspired meals for dogs siya. It offers a complete balanced diet and it has vitamins and minerals. And next, yung Muchi Dog Home Cook. It has natural ingredients, high protein, and antioxidant-rich food. Tapos, slow cook to sa bone broth. So, alam mong healthy or rich in nutrients. And it also helps supporting yung skin and coat health at saka yung digestive health nila. So guys, if you have other concerns regarding your pet's diet, food, or whatnot, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.